Hey everybody, we're going to the super secret waterfall on the other side of the mountain. Wanna come? Crest trail number 130. Sandia Mountain Wilderness. Even shadows like to walk on trails. This is my daughter, she's a creative maniac. When on the trail, make sure you're always on the lookout for cactus and poop. Cactus-filled poop. Well, here we are, 5 hours in to our grueling hike up the mountain to this secret waterfall. Hopefully we'll make it by sundown. I'm feeling quite parched. Playtime is over. Well, we made it to the waterfall. It's a little smaller than years past, but it's still here.
Can I take off my tooth?
Yeah.
Waterfall. This is my waterfall.
Stop.
Times 2.
Keep going.
That's my daughter. Looks like we found the source of the waterfall. It's a little tiny spring. Tiny little spring. The smallest little creek. Well, I broke my thing that holds my camera on this hike, but that's okay. I hope you enjoyed this adventure of mine. If you like these adventures, be sure to subscribe and like what you see. Thank you very much.